or campus being a safe place or not depends on an individual. Like during my time, for example, ukiingia a particular hostel kulikuwa na some sisterhood. Like hostel yangu, it was the famous box, University of Nairobi. So tulikuwa ni kama ka rende fulani, like we could do things together, na tuseme kama ungekuwa na roommate mpoa ama cosmate mpoa, somehow unge manage kushare those issues, maybe about breakup, a guy you've had a crush on. So somehow it provided a safe space for us. So in this generation, for campus to be safe or not, first of all, ina depend na individual. Je, do you have your, kama ni maboys, rende yako, ama for a girl uko na sisterhood? Are you in a group? Are you maybe in a church setup? Because ukweli church usaidia tu ile hali ya kukua pamoja. When you are in a group, you feel that you're not alone. But kuna many challenges that it's prevalent this time. It was not there during your time. For example, like wakati wetu sana hakukuwa na this cryptocurrencies. A lot of Bitcoin, this betting, easy cryptocurrencies, there was not so much. Na wakati wetu social media haikukuwa sana. Hii kutrend, ile kumanage. It was that generation before WhatsApp, but somehow to manage. So utapata ya kwamba with this generation kuna some challenges very unique compared to others, like Airbnb. That was something, it was your buzzword, not there at Airbnb. Wakati wetu maybe tu ni lodging, I could not say ni Airbnb. So utapata ya kwamba with this many things that were not there during our time, utapata inaleta some challenges, like a lot of betting. Utapata comrade amepewa help yake yote, ameweka kwa bet, lose, and that's like the end of life. Utapata ya kwamba mtu anataka kukua kama celeb fulani, anataka hata yeye kutrend, but hana ajui chenye ule celeb anafanya kutrend kupata hizo like. So utapata anajiingiza kwa so many things, alafu utapata in the end maybe amepoteza life yake, maybe amekuwa murdered, maybe akapoteza hata doo zake. So itafanya campus not really being a safe space. But I think I would love to thank the Easy University Association. Squeezy, I could say there is a lot of security checkup. Like in most campus places, kuna security at the door, especially if you want to visit a ladies' hostels. For most campus, at least even if you're a gentleman, there's some specific time in, time out. You cannot just go. Now you cannot even spend there unless to ruke ama usnik. Kuna some security measures that have been in place. And at least I'm happy that at least through social media, people are talking about easy love triangles, these murders that are found in campus. So kuna initiatives that have taken place. So in short, campus being a safe space or not, it really depends on an individual. Alafu tena furthermore, squeeze utapata ya kwamba most people graduate na kuna ile issues of tarmacking. But the way tunaambiwa, what I would advise the young graduates is to see education as a means to an end, not an end in itself. Like, wacha ukwenda chuo ikufungua akili, because ukiwa fixated like nikitoka chuo lazima niko employed, what if the employment does not come? Sasa hapo ndo italeta issues of hopelessness and all this. Yeah, but so it's just time the youths tukue na kitu inaitwa entrepreneurial culture, tu ile culture ya kwanza kabisa, na hata kai business yenyewe mnafanya, I'm sure something to generate income on the side even as you wait for that job. Look, yes, yenye umesomea, cause kingoja ati uajiriwe na chenye umesomea itakuwa ngumu, because universities are many, like every county has a different universities, jobs ni zile chache. So it really every year every university churns out its graduate, a lot of TVETs, a lot of colleges, so itapata ya kwamba graduates are so many, the job market is kind of flooded na ni chache. So it's upon vijana wa sasa kukuwa na that extra innovative idea yenye utaona what can I do on the sides. Yes, asante sana.